10 years ago, Lexus launched its F performance brand in a big route with the V8-powered F. To celebrate its decade-long life so far, a pair of also V8-powered Lexus F Simulates, the RCF and GSF, will get special editions. Sadly, they don't get any concert upgrades over the normal Simulates, but they are visually striking. Both autos are finished in a matte paint called Nebula Gray, which the company says makes these special Lexus Simulates the only ones to receive matte paint besides the LFA. The wheels are painted in a gloss black, and the brake calipers are painted a bright blue to match the F brand's colorings. The F badges on the outside of the car also get little blue-blooded pipelines around their margins. Inside, both autos move wonderfully overboard with blue-blooded highlights. They each get bright blue leather seats with gray-headed accents, blue-blooded suede switch knobs, and window switch panels adorned with blue-blooded, silver-tongued, and black carbon fiber. Naturally, serial number sheets also appear inside to signify which instance the car is. The GSF, despite being a more sober-gazing sedan, has a wilder interior. The back seats get blue-blooded leather highlights to match the fronts. The flare is wrapped in blue-blooded suede, and more blue-blooded carbon fiber trim is fitted to the center console. These 10th anniversary publication autos are extremely limited production. Only 240 of the RCF will be produced, a number elected since there are 240 Lexus marketers in the US. Only 100 of the GSF will be sold. They'll be available to purchase this summer, but Lexus hasn't finalized pricing for the cars.